I officially own a man.
Travel around the world, I know cost. But if I climb the train, it don't pass you. Travel around the world, no, I found you. And if I catch the plane, it don't cost. 10:40.
not been talking like since the beginning of this vlog. It has been like a silent vlog ish. I've been seeing it online, so I was like, okay, let me try like this style of vlogging. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing to my village. Very soon you guys will know why I'm traveling to the village. Okay, so yeah, I'm just wearing this Ankara gown and my pink slippers. Then I decided to put like red lip gloss on my lips. Yeah, and I started my hair like this, wearing this butterfly earring, but this is not what I'll wear for the occasion. I'm going to change it, and this is not the dress I'll wear for the occasion. I'm going to change it, and I think I'm going to style my hair in a different way too. So yeah, I'm currently waiting for my brother. He's dressing up. When he's done, we'll lock up everywhere, and we'll be on our way to the village. Okay, so I don't really know how to vlog in public, but I'm going to try my best, okay, to give you guys something to see. Okay, so yeah, bye. So guys, I'm going now with my brother. Yeah, so let's just pray we don't get missing, because we don't really know the road to our village like that, but we'll find our way. We'll find our way. Okay, let me stop vlogging. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.
To me in public, mix my drink with a little money, put my weed to the glass.
Guys, this is my cute
Why am I looking
cousin.
black here?
This light, the lighting here is not so good. Outside will be brighter. So this is the person getting married. Stop coffee shaming. It's like there's something.
Yesterday.
They're coming to pay my sister's bride price today. So yeah, that's why we're in the village. I've been recording this information, but since today is like the due day, so I have to tell you guys what's happening in the village. So I'm here as her elder sister to support her and give her all the love she needs. And this is my outfit for the day. I'm supposed to wear this with like heels, like you guys saw me previously packing. There's no need for it, so I'll just maintain my slippers. So guys, this is like we are outside now and you can see the lighting is different. So this is my cousin, very handsome boy. Yes, he's my cousin from my daddy's side. So we are in the village, as you can see. See canopy, people are seeing down, right? Yeah. So let's go downstairs.
I officially own a man.
See me say wahala oh. Wahala oh.